Do you find yourself with limited or no solutions as you navigate through the stressors of life within your business, career, health, and relationships? Welcome to Your Voice Must Be Heard podcast, a place to connect with others to gain fresh, thought-provoking perspectives on different aspects of life, plus effective wisdom to excel and unlock the door to your greatest potential. I'm Marquita McGhee, wife, mother, career woman, voiceover artist, and your host. In the past, when faced with challenges, there was always someone in my corner to give me unconventional wisdom so that I could go to the next level. I want this podcast to be that resource for you. So tune in every week to learn how to break the barriers in your life and to get to the next level through unique interviews, wisdom reflection, and the power of affirmation and narrations. Subscribe to the show wherever you listen to podcasts so you don't miss an episode. Can't wait to see you soon.